part 2 of how to stop reacting to your current circumstances while manifesting. So in the previous video, I shared with you that the only thing that you need to do in order to become less fixated on your current circumstances is meditate. Now here's why. Meditation is the practice of releasing thoughts. So think about it. If your current reality, your current circumstances are a product of your old, past, previous thoughts that you've dominantly thought, then what do you need to do to change your circumstances? You need to think different thoughts, right? But how can you think different thoughts if you keep reacting to and noticing the product of your old thoughts? So it's tricky because your thoughts become very, very momentous, and then you get hypnotized by your own thoughts. The only way to break this up is to meditate, then focus on your new affirmations, okay? That's why so many of you use your affirmations and they just bounce right off. Because you first have to stop thinking the previous thoughts so much. And that's what meditation is. It is the practice of stopping thought on purpose. And the reason that you don't understand the gravity and the power, the immense importance of meditation is because you're probably not meditating right. Because like 99% of people don't meditate right. And this is coming from somebody who was a yoga instructor for 12 years. And I'm telling you, even all of my peer teachers were not teaching meditation properly. Like my mind was boggled that most people didn't actually know what meditation is, even in the yoga world, okay? So here's what it is. Meditation is not visualization. I repeat, meditation is not visualization. No, it isn't. No. So if you're listening to a guided meditation and somebody's talking and they're telling you what to think about, you're not meditating. A true meditation would have no thought, no talking. A good guided meditation will tell you what to do in the beginning, and then for the bulk of it, shut up. Because that's what you're supposed to be doing. Shutting up. Okay? And I'm just really frustrated because most people don't understand this. So that's the answer. So go to part 3.